Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And by hello everyone, I meant by only those two people who watch my YouTube channel. Yeah, I mean, I love you guys, but only two of you watch my channel, so it's very disappointing. It's very frustrating. It's okay, let's get started with this one. So, again, obviously, I have Nykaa K orders, and there was a sale called Nykaa's Pink Love Sale. So I was saying ki I am biased with K beauty products, or so obviously I'll have to buy K beauty products. I have got skincare as well as some of the makeup products from K beauty. It's like not some, but like one or two maybe. Okay, let's just start. So first up, I have this cleansing oil from Tony Moly. Basically, it has apricot seeds in it. So it's like मुझे एक cleansing oil चाहिए था बहुत टाइम से, because मैंने इसे एक बार ट्राई किया है सिर्फ, and yeah, I was like surprised to see the results because इसको एक बार सिर्फ यूज करके my skin felt so soft. I can't even tell you how soft my skin felt at that time. It's a love product, and टोनी मोली तो भाई मतलब आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू बट मुझे टोनी मोली बहुत पसंद है. सो अब मुझे टोनी मोली इतना पसंद ही है, सो नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज ऑल्सो from Tony Moly. So it has rice ferments in it. So basically rice ferment, so it is very famous among the Koreans for like the glass skin glow. So I thought to give this also a try. Oh look. Then I got this serum set from Beauty of Joseon. So ये चार का सेट है. I got this for my mom, and it has 4 different like serums in it. और this is very nice. You can get these kind of serum and try out कि तुम्हारी skin के लिए कौन सा workout कर रहा है, and then buy a. So first of all, this is ginseng plus snail mucin. So this is very famous among the internet because like suit नहीं करता, because snail mucin doesn't suit everyone, and this one is vegan. So I think this will suit like those people who get a lot of acne from the snail mucin. Like snail mucin is a really nice product, but it does gives you acne if you have acne prone skin. So I think this is very nice product for those girlies who get a lot of acne just like me. But apparently मैंने कैसे तैसे snail mucin को भी चला ही लिया था. So I think I'll put a hold on ginseng. Next one is this glow propolis plus niacinamide. So niacinamide is used to brighten your skin tone. So this is used for that. And then we have green tea plus panthenol. You know what? I may not be good at chemistry, like the chemistry, but I'm good at skincare chemistry. So as I should tell you that green tea plus panthenol is used for like give you soothing effect and to calm your skin usually. So it is very nice night serum to use if you have wrinkles or age lines or fine lines. Then also you can use this serum to get rid of all of those. And then the last one is rice plus alpha arbutin. So in rice is very like famous, very viral product amongst the Korean for like the glowing glass skin. So this is used for that. And alpha arbutin, I just forgot. I don't remember alpha arbutin किसलिए use होता है. I just forgot. Like ठीक है, इतनी भी अच्छी स्किन केयर केमिस्ट्री नहीं है मेरी. ऑल्सो तुम लोग वीडियोस भी नहीं देखते हो, तो मैं क्यों ही इतनी नॉलेज बढ़ाऊंगा तुम लोग को देखना तो होता नहीं है. Okay, then I got this freebie. This is a freebie, or I got this from Attitude. It's a snail mask, face mask. Okay, the next product, I have 2 products from Minimalist and 1 freebie from them. Actually, let me honestly tell you that I honestly don't like minimalistic so much. I don't have any expectation from minimalistic because that never worked out for me. Only thing that worked out for me from minimalist was their moisturizer. Yeah, so uske alawa nothing worked for me. If something isn't working for me, that doesn't mean that it won't work on you. It totally depends. So yeah, that was not for my skin, but then there is one viral face and body mist going on around the internet, so I thought to give that a try, and that is this Minimalist Holo Hypochlorous Purifying Spray. So it is a face and body spray both, and it is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. So basically, it is supposed to kill the harmful germs on your face whenever you go out and you get bacteria and dust on your face. So this is supposed to kill those germs and keep your skin hydrated. Also, this can be used on a body too. So I don't travel a lot, but I do get acne a lot. So if this will help me, so this will be a game changer. So I will give it a try, and then do I will tell you the reviews for sure. Okay, so nap is this moisturizer from Minimalist. So मैंने जैसा कहा था कि the only thing that worked for me from Minimalist was their moisturizer. So this is vitamin B5 10% moisturizer, and it has copper, zinc, magnesium plus hyaluronic acids, and it claims that it is lightweight and oil free. It is lightweight for sure, but it is not oil free. Like, I have a really oily skin combination, so let me say that this is not oil free. This will give you that oily look, and this feels it is light for sure, but it is not oil free, that I can say. Okay, so next is the freebie from the Minimalist. So this is the freebie. So this is Malik Bond Repair Complex Hair Shampoo, Hair Mask and Hair Serum. So I will try. It says that it is for all the hair types, but I don't know. I will try and tell you कि ये कैसा है. Lately my hair looks pretty much fine, but बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज हो गए थे बीच में, but yeah, I have restored it. So उसके लिए उसके भी videos आएंगे. So stay tuned for those also if you are watching. Okay, so last product from the skincare section is this viral, not viral, I won't say viral because मैंने कहीं नहीं देखा था, this weird mummy pack. So this is a zombie pack. So this says that it is anti wrinkle and pack. So this is from the Skin 104, so I don't think so that it will be that bad. So it does comes in a pair. So it's like a DIY kit for you. So ये इसके अंदर ऐसे कुछ 8 एक्टिवेटर्स हैं, बस एक ब्रश दिया हुआ है, like this looks a cute brush, and ऐसे कुछ ऐसे 8 activators हैं इसके अंदर, and then it has these 8 packs of powder. So you mix the powder in the activator, नहीं, you mix the activator in the powder and then you apply it. So it's a kind of a DIY kit. मैंने अभी try नहीं किया है, so I think कि ये भी उतना ही काम करेगा. So इसलिए मैं इसे I'm saving this for some like occasions or something, but जब भी मैं try करूँगी I will give a review to you. So stay tuned for that also. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा stay tuned बोलने लगी हूँ, so I won't say that much. That was it for the skincare section. Now let's move on to the makeup section. So basically I have gone crazy over some lip tints. Chaotic me. So I have gone crazy over these lip tints, so, and lip oils. I have lip tints from two brands, Romand and Attitude. So I'll talk about both of the brands one by one. Wait, let's talk about my favorite one. Is this Zero Velvet from Romand, and it is a velvet kind of lip tint, and it gives very moussey velvety effect, and it leaves like blurred out effect. So I really love this formula. Like, इसके dupes है Indian market में, but I feel like OG is OG. So I feel like you just can't beat the OG, right? So क्या कहते हैं, I really love this shade. Also, I'm wearing that shade, so that is, look how pretty it is. So another one is Juicy Lasting Tint, and it is in the shade 13 Eat Dorothy. So this is also a very nice long lasting tint. And then another two are from Attitude. First one is Glow Tint and second one is a Matte Tint. So this Glow Tint is also a very nice product. It's in the shade Chilling Red, and love this shade. I know I'm saying that for all of my shades, but I really love these shades, and these are very long lasting. You know what? My love life doesn't last long, but I think my lip liners or lip products should last longer. So I'm very happy for that, you know. I know. So another one is this matte tint. So this one is in the shade Analog Rose. And I feel like I bought so perfect shades for myself. So if you are a brown girly like me, you can go for these shades like without having second guesses. So I assure you, these will look perfect on your skin. So next, this one is a Dear Darling oil tint. So this is a lip oil tint. So this is also from Attitude, and this is a more of a reddish color, and this is very hydrating lip oil. So like if you want hydrated lips and plump lips, but you want some color in them, then you can use these lip oils. I have one more lip oil which is from Tipsy Beauty. Also, iska formula is somehow more hydrating than the Attitude one. I don't know how, but it is. Okay, so the next product, and this is the kind. फिर है ये नेक्स्ट टीयर का क्वेश्चन फाउंडेशन. Obviously this has been going viral for a quite long time, so I have to get my hands on these. So I got this in shade 34C Amber, and you know what, guys, I should praise myself for getting the shade right at one go, because I have seen a lot of creators who like struggle to get their shade right, and I know the struggle, you know, but I got the right shade in one go, and I swear to God, this product is इसका review video channel पे आ चुका है. So you guys, so also I'm wearing the foundation right now, so this is a very nice foundation, I swear. Then इतना सारा मेकअप कर लिया है, स्किन केयर कर लिया है, तो you have to remove the skin care, right? So again, this is the package. This is Earth Rhythm Cleansing Balm. It has bamboo, charcoal, and hemp seed oil. So this removes makeup like butter. So that is all for like the makeup and everything. Now let's move on to the two Lux product which I got. First one is this Too Faced Cloud Crush Blush. So it's a tongue twisted cloud crush blush. So it's in the shade Watermelon Rain. Look at the packaging. So this is supposed to give like a blurring blush kind of effect, and I'm wearing that blush, but I don't think so zyada dikh raha hoga because I have combined it with the Rare Beauty one. But this is how the blush looks, and it is very pretty. I swear it is very pretty. I'm never gonna use this because it's so pretty. I swear to God, I'm never gonna use this. But yeah, apart from that, it is very cute and very classy and very demure. और मुझे नहीं पता इससे ज़्यादा मैं blush को और क्या ही review करूँ. So let's move on to the last product, and I would say that it isn't the greatest product of all. This is a Clinique Black Honey Mascara. So this mascara is in the shade of Black Honey. So you could get better product at lesser price. Like I have paid 2,700 rupees for this particular product. It isn't that pigmented or that. Let me tell you. Let me break this down for you. So basically, looks like this, and then we have this wand. So basically ये जो इसकी wand है, it doesn't do anything. Like ये ऐसे एकदम flat wand है. So इससे ना ही volume मिलता है eyelashes को, ना ही length मिलती है. So I don't know what it's supposed to do. But इसका जो color है वो भी बहुत अच्छा नहीं है. That isn't also great. और also जब ना you put like ऐसे product निकालते हो ना when, तो उस टाइम पे क्या होता है कि सारा प्रोडक्ट ये ऐसे टिप पे जाके लग जाता है और इधर के साइड कुछ भी नहीं लगा होता है. सो बेसिकली इट्स अ मेस टू यूज. और अगर इफ यू रियली वांट अ बर्गंडी मस्कारा, like first of all, why do you need a burgundy mascara? Like I mean, I need it because I am insane, but if you do need it, then I'm sorry, but you are like me. I'm sorry. Welcome to the community. Welcome. If you like burgundy mascara. So okay, so but अगर तुम्हें चाहिए, really चाहिए burgundy mascara, like honestly चाहिए, तो you can get Maybelline का Sky High mascara in the shade burgundy, because that is so much better than this one, and that is so much easier on your pockets. Also it's like your wallet doesn't cry, you get a good mascara, so it's a win-win, girl math. So that is all for the today's video, and if you like the video, then do subscribe my channel, so up till and stay updated for the next video. Up till then, bye bye.